Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, I have something a little bit different. I'm here with New England Pete.
What's going on?
I'll include his Instagram and YouTube down in the description, and we're reviewing his 2015 GTI. That's APR Stage 2?
That is correct, yes, with the pops and crackles, of course.
Oh yeah, which you guys will for sure hear. So just, if you want to do a quick walk around of what's on the car?
Yeah, so up front, it's pretty stock. Aesthetically, we only have the Maxton splitter. This is the version 2, of course, and it may not last very long, but this is the most recent mod that I've done with the vehicle.
All right.
Going along the side, it's pretty much stock here. These wheels are, of course, aftermarket, but they're the Euro spec.
Yeah, I was noticing they're definitely the Euro spec. Same thing with the taillights, which we'll get to.
They're pretty much the same size as my 18-inch Austin alloy wheels.
Yep.
They're just they're 19s, but they have the same width and everything. And these are they're called Santiagos, and you can only get them in Europe. But these are not the OEM wheels; they're just replicas. And then, of course, coming to the back, this is definitely the most modified, I guess you could say. The first thing you'll probably notice might be the diffuser because it sticks out so far.
Yep.
This is the Maxton diffuser. I'm still missing the side spats that go kind of around the exhaust, but those are probably going relatively soon. And of course, I have the Mark 735 Euro taillights. They have the sequential turn signal, so it looks awesome.
Oh yeah.
And then kind of just to wrap it up, just the Maxton wing, and of course the Borla
exhaust, which
Borla exhaust, which is paired to the APR downpipe, and that's kind of where stage 2 comes from.
Awesome. All right, let's go for a rip.
We should, yeah.
Let's do it. I'm also here with Brady Frost with Frosty Productions. One thing Volkswagen always does right is their interiors.
Indeed, yeah.
And their doors being late.
Yep.
Yes.
And then, what trim level is this? Is this like full-on Autobahn?
So this is not the Autobahn, given that I don't have the navigation. I think that's one of the main things you get. Also with the Climatronic, but this is the SE, so you get the leather seats, the sunroof, and of course the Fender audio system, which is a must.
Absolutely. If you want to pop the sunroof for that audio too.
Yeah. Should we open up the window or roll down the windows?
Nah, that's fine.
Yeah, so right away you can hear those pops.
This is so cool.
Yeah, it's definitely a fun little daily.
Oh yeah. And do you know, I know you told me, but just so the guys on the video know, what's it around for horsepower?
Well, I get roasted every single time I drop numbers on YouTube. So when I used to title my videos, I used to give it, a number, and people would be like, "No way!" in the comments. But APR claims their numbers, I'm pretty sure, is power-wise to the crank, it's 336, and torque to the crank, I believe, is a little bit under 400 pound-feet of torque, which is just insane for a front-wheel drive car.
All right, here we go. Not slow. Not slow at all.
Yeah, she moves.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, it definitely has.
I love the DSG farts too.
DSG farts are insane. They're so loud.
And you have a couple reaction videos on your channel too, which are a riot to watch.
Yes, I have one reaction video, and I was planning on doing, because I didn't go to the drag strip, I was going to vlog that and try approach to that this weekend, but I'm going to have probably a new reaction video out. That's the idea. I'm going to have more of my friends join, and should have a good video.
Absolutely.
Good time. But yeah, highway drone, not too bad.
I mean, obviously it's louder than factory, but...
Yep. One thing, I want you to guess what kind of miles per gallon this thing will get. If you drive it, of course, very conservatively.
I mean, I know my ST gets 24.3, so I'm going to guess like...
On the highway, I should say.
On the highway, let's do 27.5.
35.
What?
I am not joking.
That's absurd.
I am absolutely not joking. If you want, we can do real time. I think you know how to scroll. It's in those pages. Just hit that down arrow on your right hand side.
Oh, sorry.
Yep, no worries. And you'll probably get real time.
That's 25
for
for
ripping it right now too.
Oh, that's it.
That's the real time consumption. If you put it in drive, you kind of just coast.
Yeah. It's right around 35. Impressive.
Before I put like all the the diffuser and everything on and all that hoopla, the car, you can put it to speed too if you want.
No, not for the video. That'd be a good idea not to do.
Oh, actually, keep it on oil temp.
Well, I mean, we're not breaking speed limits, just as Stradman says, keeping it right at 55, but...
One of my favorite sayings from YouTubers is Tedward's saying, which is respect the drive, you know?
Yep.
That's,
We're in Mexico, we're not in...
Oh, I love when people say that and like they don't blur out the street signs.
Yep.
And it's like, yep, definitely a Mexico City, Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Yeah.
But this is a hoot to drive, honestly.
It certainly is, yeah. It has a lot of character to it. Just for a little four banger, it definitely has a little bit of...
It's literally a four banger.
Yeah. Yep.
And even if you're just...
Are turned off right now. Once you reactivate sport mode,
I already did it. Yeah, it's in sport mode.
It's confused. You have to reactivate it or something.
Okay.
And then so maybe if you let off or downshift, try that. Oh yeah, they're back on. There you go.
Yep, they're good.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So wait, that was with pops off?
So that was with pops off with the DSG when you kind of once you let off it. Notice how it didn't pop at all?
Yep.
Yeah, so the pops were off. I believe that's probably because we put the car in drive to do that test.
Perhaps, yeah.
But one thing you'll notice with pops off and pops on is with pops on, the car kind of cuts ignition, I guess you could say,
yep.
really, really abruptly. So you can feel it kind of jolt once you let off the throttle, compared to when the pops they're off. The car will kind of just consistently roll, and you won't really lose speed at all. Right. So it's definitely more lurchy and more kind of reactive with pops on.
Right. That was a loud one right there.
Yep, indeed. Yeah, they are very loud. Actually, for kicks and giggles, we'll do this for maybe a second once we get to the light and the air noise. But you have to listen to these with all of the windows down. It is insane.
Oh,
we'll do it for a little second. Pop all the windows down. It's gonna be it'll be like nothing else. You get a little bit of a DSG part too.
Yep.
That.
Yep. That's good. Oh, sorry.
No worries. Yeah, you certainly get looks when you drive this thing. Sometimes good looks, sometimes.
Sometimes the middle finger. You never know.
Exactly. I just tell myself they're calling me number one.
Yep.
Is that an RS?
Type S, yeah.
Yeah, Type. Wow. A lot of nice cars today.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be really
Model
nice
X.
weather. Wow. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you've driven a Tesla on your channel.
I've driven
I saw.
every Tesla that's ever been made so far, except for the Semi and the new Roadster.
So I've never driven the Model 3, but I've driven the Model S, the old Model S before the facelift, and then the Model X, and it was both on a promotional event on Nantucket. I think it was like a couple years ago or something like that.
Yep.
Right as actually the Model X came out and the facelift came out, because I believe they came out kind of at the same time.
Right.
So that was really cool.
Oh yeah.
We weren't able to experience like launch control, but they both have ludicrous, and we were able to
feel
the power. That was definitely really cool.
Oh yeah. There's really not much like it straight from a dig, especially the Model S P100D. I've had the chance to check that out.
Yep.
Nice STI.
Yes. Very nice. Yeah, I love those.
Oh, nice little cop over there. That's good. Yes.
What's funny is-
RSX.
Yeah. Wow, that thing's nice. Yeah, this thing.
Draws attention.
It does draw attention, but you know, I've completely clean driving record, believe it or not.
Oh, that's good.
With driving this thing around, you know, I don't hoon it. Kind of how we're driving for this POV is how I kind of daily drive it. So I don't know. You guess if that's hooning it or not.
Yep.
But yeah, I mean, it's a dark color. It's kind of low key. It doesn't.
GTIs are sleepers, really.
They are, yeah. It doesn't scream at you like a sports car. It's just a grocery getter.
Right there's the drone.
Yep. Yeah.
I did the Salt Bay flick of the DSG too.
Oh my gosh.
I saw that comment.
People give me such a hard time.
Oh God. I actually think that was, so.
It was stuck at 55. It was only spinning.
Yeah.
Be lucky this thing has no traction, or else you would have been speeding. But you weren't.
I wasn't, yeah. According to the rear tires, I wasn't speeding.
Exactly. Listen to those rear tires.
This is I imagine in your neighborhood, this can be the rooster, where it just wakes everybody up.
Oh, absolutely. We don't make friends.
No. Oh, break.
So, do you think it ever gets annoying?
Yes.
I was just gonna answer that for him.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, and that's why, you know, you can turn them off, and that's one of my favorite things about this car is, you know, if I get really sick of it, just
You can just shut them off.
Yeah.
This is Star Speedway, by the way, too.
I do not know what that is.
It's a like quarter-mile oval track.
Oh, cool. So is it kind of like a? Do they do drifting, or is it just kind of?
Just like short track racing.
Okay. That's cool.
Finally figured out how to make it pop. Well, I mean, it just pops on its own anyway, but.
Yep. Yeah.
All right, so the 4 to 3 downshift makes the loudest pops.
I agree. Yeah, definitely. I definitely agree with that.
Luckily,
yeah.
we're right near 6-4, so we blend right in.
Yep. They also have a location. They had a car show. SIG had a car show in Portsmouth.
Really?
It was a Corvette show. It's for veterans, and actually had some cool stuff. I think I saw my first new ZR1 there.
Yep. I was in Nashua a little while ago, and I was driving by, and I'm like, wait a second, I think I saw something there. It was a matte gray Performante parked next to a matte black ZR1.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
It was really cool.
It's actually funny because I know a guy with a it's a carbon hood, but it's a black Huracan with a matte black. It's a PPF matte, so it's not a
Not factory
not
matte.
Factory. It's a glossy black, but it's a black ZR1.
Okay, that was loud.
Yep.
Nice 55 Bel Air gasser build.
Oh my god.
You know your older cars.
Oh, my grandfather has a 56 Ford.
Okay.
So,
Wow. Wonder if Eli's here. Do you know what time he's rolling in?
he wasn't quite sure. I mean, you can actually see the ST just chilling back there, but
Where is the ST? I do not see.
oh, it's over by
Over yonder.
Yep.
Over yonder.
But man, thank you
Very
so
cool.
much, Pete.
Of course, thank you.
This is awesome.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll include a link to his actually both channels in the description box below, and you don't need a link to my channel because you're watching it. So stay tuned for future video, guys, and have a great day.